Hello guys, welcome back for another video on the Naked Acre Homestead. Today I am just getting things started by getting the lawnmower and things ready. So what I just finished doing was getting all the dog toys, branches, that sort of stuff removed from the dog yard area, I suppose it's called. And then we put the mower over the fence because we don't have our gates yet, so we're dealing with that. But yes, everything is basically cleared out and the yard is all ready for me to mow it. So let's go do that. So of course I have to fill this thing up with gas, so come with me and be a man, Maury, and let's get this thing done. Oh, I need 2 hands for this. Hold on. Oh God. Is that okay? Is it like a good thing? Oh, bugs. The bugs. The bugs. Oh, oh. I hate bugs. So, let's do this. You can't really see it because, well, I don't have a tripod, so... Oh, and she's full. She's full. Okay, I guess that didn't need much. Well, there you have it. It's, bugs. I hate bugs. I hate bugs. I hate bugs. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. How does this? Oh my God. Wait, no. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, so as you guys know, we have a large yard and small mower. That is not a recipe for an easy time. It works and we can do it. Is it easy? No. Do I want to do it? No. Do we have to do it? Yeah. Homeowner. They tell you it's such a joy. And it is. It has its benefits. Getting sidetracked here. But yes, we're mowing. So, plan of attack. Basically, sectioning off the yard. Sorry. So we're going to do a little rectangle here. So I'm going to start here, come down, basically go there, across, back, and just mow this whole front section first. And then flip, turn around and mow this back section. Yeah. So much fun. I know. Well, let's get to it. And just like that, so far, that much is done. I've done here, I've done a path around there, and yeah.
So when I was in the Navy, this is actually how they teach you to like fold up your socks. It's like lay on top of each other, roll, and then like twist. And they would always make sure that you had like your smileys or whatever it was called, like tucked in right there. So yeah, we're just doing some chores. That's part of life. And just like that, the socks are all folded. Oh. A little fuzz on that one.
Landscaper boy. Ooh la la! Look at him keeping my lawn nice and fresh. Where is he? That handsome devil. Ooh la la! Afro landscaping coming soon to the Naked Farm. This is not sponsored, but I wish it was. If you've ever seen these dog toys, our girls are what you would call like super chewers, and these things have lasted us for a very long time. A few of them are like a little, but like that's the worst of it, and that's really nothing when you consider some of these dog toys, especially fabric dog toys. I feel like these ones are just honestly superior, and they come in lots of different styles, shapes, sizes, colors. So really, there's something for every dog. They also do have a little squeak. Our girls go wild for them. Clearly Dolly likes them.
Well, that's this half of the yard completely finished. Now, this half. This is the line that separates them, essentially, from the half I've cut versus the half I still need to cut. And I'm dying. It's hot. So, let's get this over with, shall we? Yay. And just like that, the yard is fini. This way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I am melting. But, you know, it's worth it. The dogs are going to come out here. They're going to really enjoy it. Oh my god. So many bugs. I just love living on a farm. And all the fucking bugs that come with it. Obsessed. Just, you know, thoroughly.
So these are still the same little chicks. Popcorn is still doing amazing. Look how cute they are. Oh. And we're going to be setting up the brooder for them in the morning. Lots of great colors though. Loving this hatch. So this is my black Orpington rooster. This is Donut. Hey Donut. He's a really good boy. Black Orpingtons are pretty large, so you could say I got a pretty big cock. So in the back is Parsnip, and then in the front is Radish, and they are both gold-laced Wyandottes. They're both cockerels, well, roosters. Well, Parsnip is a rooster because a rooster is a male chicken that is over the age of 1 year old. A cockerel is a male chicken that is under the age of 1 year old. So, Radish is a cockerel and Parsnip is a rooster. So Chili doesn't like how mean little Blueberry's been to everyone. So she's kind of sticking up for herself. Oh, and then her sister Toast got in. Now Mr. Parsnip is like, ladies, everything's okay. They're all good. They were just having a little tussle. Chickens doing chicken things. This is probably one of the cutest things ever, but the ducks actually love the water. These are our drakes. We need to get them like a little sprinkler. So a little trick that we use to get them all to go back in the coop at night is, while we only feed them in the coop, like their actual feed, the rest of the day they just kind of free range for the day and then they get supper at nighttime. It's been the best way to get them to come back, and it seems to work for us. They're all fat and happy and we don't have anybody starving or anything like that. And then we also have a special call that we do, and it goes something like this. Oh, that's the man! Oh, that's the man! And we added that whistle on there because we find it's kind of like how, like with people, how they use like bells and things like that to train your brain to know a certain thing. So we add the whistle in there, so on days we don't want to have to yell, we can just kind of do the whistle instead. And honestly, it works pretty good sometimes. I do have to go get them food because I haven't actually given them their feed yet. So I'll go grab the feed, do the call, get everyone in, and I'll be back. Honestly, once they see the feed guy coming, they usually all start coming running. I'll be right back. Oh, that's the man! And so I carry this rake because I find that the rake actually just, it's good for guidance. We don't ever have to use it to like hurt them or anything, obviously, but it's just to help guide them in. Come on, guys. Oh, birds to bed! Oh, birds to bed! Don't mind our junk pile, please. We're hopefully getting that removed soon. Usually it's just a couple of the geese, and I'll get them all in. And just like that,